This right here is a beaded fringe, and this is what it looks like when I used it on a dress. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I made this fringe. Very easy way to make this fringe. Let's jump in. The things we're going to be needing for this tutorial is a strip, of course, any strip of your choice. We also need crystal beads, we need sand beads, and we need spiral beads or twist beads, whatever you want to call it, but these ones are the long beads, longer than the regular beads. So let's jump straight in. I pick the strip right here, I turn the strip to the back. Endeavor to start your beaded fringe from the back of your strip. Even if you are fixing your beaded fringe on the fabric, start it from the back. So what we did right here is to tie it at the back. I'll just put the needle through and pass the needle through the middle of the thread, in between both threads. Remember that you already tied the bottom, so I put it in through the middle and just pull it. I'll do it a second time just for extra security sake, but sometimes you don't have to, but to be safer, please do it. So I tied it a second time. Some people do it as much as the third time, but third time is now wasabi. Twice is okay, but sometimes I really do it the third time. So after doing that, just put the needle into the strip and bring it out from the front. So that's what I'm doing right here, and then it's out. So what I basically did was tie this at the back and brought it out in front. So right now we're going to go ahead to fix the beads on the this is first thing I'm going to take is the sand bead. Right here we're taking 4 sand beads. So this is what it looks like. This is 4 sand beads right there. Yeah, so the next thing we're going to be taking is the twist bead. See how long it is, so pick that one. After picking that one, we'll pick 2 sand beads. After that, that's 2. I have to remove the third one. I'll pick 1 crystal and pick 2 sand beads again. Next thing I'll pick is the spiral bead as well. Pick another 2 sand beads, pick the 1 crystal bead and end it with 1 sand bead. So this is what it basically looks like. So I did 4 sand beads, 1 spiral, 2 sand beads, 1 crystal, 2 sand beads, 1 spiral, another 2 sand beads, and then spiral and sand. I know that it looks a little complicated, but trust me, if you look at the arrangement, so right there I just brought out the last sand bead from it, and then I put the needle into the beads again. So I'm going to be bringing it out right there, and that's all. That's how really how to make it. So let's just tie it right away. I'll pull it, make sure it's tight but not too stiff, right? So I'll go ahead and pick my scissors and just cut out a little portion out of it right there. After cutting it, I'll just open it up and tie. You know, make sure you tie it tight. So if you don't tie it tight, it's going to fall off, or the bead will start falling off. But once you can tie it tight as much as maybe 3 or 4 times, yeah. So after tying it right there, I'll just pick my scissors and cut off the excess thread, and this is what it looks like. Trust me, it looks complex, but it's not complex at all. So just look at how I did it. Now you don't even have to do it exactly this way. You can do it anyhow you like. Just give it whatever arrangement you like, and it will always look good. I did this in 10 yards. I mean 10 whole yards. So this is when I had put more, and this is the full pack of 10 yards. I don't know if you are aware, I produce beaded fringe and I sell as well. So just in case you are interested in any color, any shape, any shade, any type, I can even customize something that'll fit your outfit for you. Just call me and I'll do it for you. So this is what it looks like. This is 10 yards. I also did it in silver as well, and this is what the silver looks like. Yeah, so I went ahead to put it on a dress, and this is what it looks like. Whichever way you think is going to work for you, you can choose it and adopt it, and it will look fabulous. So this is how I did it. Usually I just pin it on this dress and take it off when I'm done with the video, and then I'll keep using the same dress. You know, this is my experimental dress now. So this is what it is. So this is what it looks like on the side. After I had done it, like I just put a little portion on this hanger and hung it, and this is what it looks like on the dress. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any special requests, you can let me know. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Before I forget, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks.